Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Messenger active status not showing. First of all, go to your profile and then go to your menu and then go to settings and then make sure you have turned your active status on. This will show when you're active on Messenger. Then go ahead and restart the app by swiping it off from the bottom of your screen and then swiping the app away. After that, you're going to go ahead and go to the app store and then search for Messenger and make sure to update the app. Safety tip: keep your active status off if you want privacy. Quick fix: turn the toggle off and back on to refresh. Subscribe for more.